Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your border type for different text on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just go ahead and select the item or the thing you want to make the border around and select Format, and then select Borders and Lines, and then select Border Type. You could do single, double, triple. You can also change the thickness settings as well. And that just kind of gives it a nice accent for whatever media element you're trying to show off on your slide. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.